Hey there! Welcome back to House of Resilient, the channel where we help you get smarter with your money, one video at a time. Today's topic is a game changer, different budgeting methods, and how to find the one that fits your life. Because budgeting isn't one size fits all. Whether you like spreadsheets or prefer something super simple, there's a method that works for you. Let's dive in. Budgeting isn't just about the numbers. It's about creating a system that matches your personality, habits, and goals. The right method helps you stay consistent, avoid stress, and actually enjoy managing your money. We'll explore 5 popular budgeting methods. By the end, you'll know exactly which one to try. Let's start simple with the 50/30/20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method is great for beginners or if you want a high-level overview without tracking every dollar. It gives you structure without the pressure. Next up, the zero-based budget, a favorite for detail lovers. Here, every dollar you earn is assigned a job until there's zero left unallocated. That could be bills, groceries, savings, or even fun money. This is perfect if you want full control over every dollar and have a regular income. It takes more effort, but gives you total clarity. Third, the old school but effective envelope system. You set spending limits for each category, then put cash into envelopes, or use digital versions. Once the envelope is empty, that's it. If you struggle with overspending or want a tactile, disciplined approach, this method helps you stay accountable. Method 4 is pay yourself first. You set aside money for savings and investing before spending anything else. It flips the usual mindset. Instead of saving what's left over, you spend what's left after saving. Who is it for? This works great for people with savings goals who want to build wealth automatically. Last is the weekly spending plan. You break your budget down by week instead of monthly. This makes it easier to stay on track, especially if you get paid weekly or bi-weekly. Who is it for? If you find monthly budgets overwhelming or lose steam halfway through, this keeps it fresh and manageable. So how do you choose? Here's a quick guide. Want simplicity? Go 50/30/20. Love structure and detail? Zero-based is for you. Need discipline and boundaries? Try envelopes. Focused on saving aggressively? Pay yourself first. Prefer short-term planning? Go weekly. And remember, you can combine methods. For example, use the 50/30/20 rule to guide your zero-based budget. The best method is the one you can stick to consistently. Try one for a month, review how it felt, and tweak it if needed. There's no failure, just feedback. Budgeting is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Find the method that fits you, and watch how quickly you take control of your money. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which budgeting method are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.